Hey guys, how are you? Today we are going to do watershed modeling. It's also called catchment, stream network. It got different names using Google Earth Engine and Arcgis Pro. We will use the Google Earth Engine for downloading uh, elevation model. So for that, I will provide you the link. You can just copy paste the link, get an account on it, and it's going to be really easy to extract this area. Just provide its geometry for your study area, run it, and from here you can download LOS elevation model, Copernicus elevation model, NASA SRTM. And for this time I'm going to use Copernicus model. Let's just run it, and it's going to be downloaded into your drive. Here, from here you can just download it. And once it's downloaded, open it in Arcgis Pro. Next we will just use we can use tools one by one, or we can just make a model of it. For that, first to fill analysis, then flow direction, flow accumulation. Okay, now run it. Now if you get any errors in this analysis, just put 0 over here in the parallel processing. It will be good for all of these tools. For better visualization, just set its stretch type to standard deviation, and it's good. Now use greater than tool for accessing stream network. Maybe 500 is good enough. Lower the number, more streams, smaller streams it will get. Higher the number, it will get only the major streams. So you can test it out with the values and set it for your area as you want it. Now for stream, first we will apply the order. And next we will apply the features. For a better visualization, just set it up a little bit. Now it's good. Now to extract the basins, catchments of this area, just use basin tool. Use the fill DEM. sorry, flow direction, and it's good. There you go. Now let's say you want the basins and streams only for this area, or maybe you got the stream and you want to extract out the basin of just this one stream, or maybe from, let's say, here you want this stream basin from this area. So for that we're going to use watershed analysis. So go to, first of all, create a point file, shapefile, edit it, make a point over this stream. Like, you can also use the raster imagery. Like over here is good. Okay. Now use snap PowerPoint. Okay. We're going to use this PowerPoint and the flow accumulation more raster imagery to get the basin out. So first direction, PowerPoint, right, and it will give us the basin area for that catchment. There you go. I hope you got that. If there is any question, anything, you can write it down in the comments. Thanks. See you later.